As the blizzard of '96 paralyzed the Susquehanna Valley, News 8 brought you the area's most complete and comprehensive news coverage. News 8 was the only station to bring you live reports on conditions in Harrisburg, York, Lancaster, and across the Susquehanna Valley. News 8 brought you more updates, extended newscasts, and exclusive live interviews with the governor, lieutenant governor, and area officials, bringing you vital information concerning your safety. When winter weather strikes, stay with your best source for information. News 8 coverage you can count on.